Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today's lesson and learning goal is I can determine the unit rates in word problems. Unit rates always have a denominator of 1. Okay, what are unit rates? A unit rate compares a quantity to another quantity given in 1 unit. To recap, number 2, how do I divide fractions? KCF. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction. Change division to multiplication. Then write the reciprocal or flip of the second fraction. Finally, follow the rules for multiplying. Let's look at the first problem we're going to do together. Jessica made 2/5 gallons of chocolate milk with 1/8 of a cup of chocolate syrup. How many cups of syrup is needed to make 1 gallon of chocolate milk? Since I need to find the amount of syrup per 1 gallon, I write my 1/8 cups of syrup over the 2/5 of a gallon. I write this now as a division problem. 1/8 divided by 2/5. This is equal to 1/8 times 5/2. Because in order to divide fractions, we keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction. Then I see, can I cross simplify? Since I cannot cross simplify, I multiply straight across and I get 5/16 of a cup of syrup per gallon. This will make 1 gallon of chocolate milk. Number 2. Greg can eat 1/8 of a hamburger in 1/12 of an hour. How many hamburgers can Greg eat in 1 hour? So we want to start with 1/8 of a hamburger over 1/12 of an hour. So this is the hamburger. This is my hour. I'm going to set up the division problem. 1/8 divided by 1/12. I'm going to keep the first fraction, 1/8. I'm going to change the division sign to a multiplication symbol. And I'm going to flip 1/12 so it becomes 12 over 1. Now I can cross simplify. I notice when I look diagonally, I can divide 8 and 12 both by 4. So 4 goes into 8 twice, 4 goes into 12 3 times. Then I multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 1 is 2. There is our answer. Now, since we want to know how many hamburgers he can eat in a whole hour, I would now convert this into a mixed number. 2 goes into 3 one time with a remainder of 1 over 2. Therefore, Greg can eat 1.5 hamburgers, HB, per, I'm going to use the fraction, the slash, hour. Now you're going to try the UnitRate problems on the next page, and we will go over these in class together.